Faithfulness to God in life is what makes us His own, which when without it in life we cannot please the Lord. Faithfulness is consciousness of who God is in life, giving Him His worthy praise and glory to His name. God expects from all His own not less of faithfulness, doing what He bids us all in His holy way. Nothing else can please the Lord apart from faithfulness, which reveals true love for Him and glory to His name. God created man on earth with faithfulness like Him, giving Him charge over the earth, expecting faithfulness. That's what He wants all His own to be always in life, so the world may learn from them what life with God is like. God expects from all His own not less of faithfulness, doing what He bids us all in His holy way. Nothing else can please the Lord apart from faithfulness, which reveals true love for Him and glory to His name. Faithfulness is godliness shining out of the heart, giving God His rightful place, heeding what He says. That's how we show all the world that God is in the heart, molding us in righteousness for everlasting life. God expects from all not less of faithfulness, doing what He bids in His holy way. Nothing else apart from faithfulness to God can reveal true love and glory to His name. I will seek the will of God in faithfulness of heart. I will seek to do His will, shown by Him to me. I will have faith in His word, in what He says to me. Then I'll wait in faithfulness, His faithfulness to me. Faithfulness, faithfulness, faithfulness to God.